Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Top Coat and Base Coat Set, which stands as the best option for anyone looking to elevate their at-home manicure game. This two-piece set, consisting of a 15ml base coat and a 15ml upgrade super shiny top coat, promises a glossy, long-lasting finish that can withstand everyday wear. The Beetles Gel Base Coat works as a firm foundation for your nails. It's designed to protect your natural nail and enhance the adhesion of your gel polish, ensuring that your manicure stays intact for a longer period. It also prevents the nail surface from staining, allowing for a clean, healthy look. The base coat ensures a smooth application of the color gel and extends the durability of your manicure, making it an essential step for achieving salon-quality nails. On the flip side, the Beetles Gel Top Coat delivers a stunning, glossy finish that resists abrasion, scratches, and stains, leaving your nails with a smooth, mirror-like shine. What's more impressive is that this top coat doesn't require wiping after curing, a huge time saver. It's formulated to be long-lasting, so you won't have to worry about your nails losing their shine or chipping easily. With a wear time of up to 28 days, your nails will stay looking fresh and glossy for weeks, even with everyday activities. One of the most noteworthy features of this product is its easy application process. Whether you're a nail artist or a beginner, you'll find that the Beetles Gel Top Coat and Base Coat are simple to use, with a formula that's low on odor and free from harsh chemicals, making them safe for at-home use. These gels work perfectly with both LED and UV lamps, so you can achieve professional-level results right at home. The Beetles Gel Polish Top Coat and Base Coat Set is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable, long-lasting solution for their gel manicures. It gives your nails a professional, glossy finish that lasts for weeks, and its easy-to-use nature makes it a great option for both professionals and beginners. Plus, with the added benefit of being available at an affordable price, it's no wonder why this set is quickly becoming a favorite among nail enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Top Coat and Base Coat Set offers everything you need for a flawless, durable manicure. From its smooth application to its long-lasting shine, this set is a must-have for anyone who loves to do their nails at home. So if you're looking to upgrade your nail care routine, this product is definitely worth checking out. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.